I got a new haircut. Going back to the old days when I used to have a skin fade and use all the pomade and stuff. Chloe did it. I think she did a great job. Anyway, welcome to another video. So you might have noticed I've been filming on my phone recently just purely because this is my normal camera that I film with, and I snapped off the SD card inside the camera, and now the camera doesn't work. So I've got to get a new SD card and sort that. It'll be fine. But for now, we're going to use the camera. We're going to use the iPhone, which turns out is actually better to film with. It's so much more stabilized. The quality in the audio is so much better. I don't know why I don't just film with this all the time. Anyway, in today's video, we're going to be driving the truck from the Isle of Wight to Winchester to go and meet the guy who imported this very truck. Now, the Easter egg thing is that when this truck got imported, it was imported with a silver early Westie, so another one of its kind. Now, the silver truck had this front bumper, which is now on the green truck, but it also came with some rear bumpers that matched the front. So now we're going to go and buy those rear bumpers from the guy that imported this, and we're going to stick them on the truck. And now it was time to head back to the Isle of Wight and fit these bad boys to the back of the truck. Before we get started with any installation, I popped down to my local hardware store and bought some new nuts and bolts and washers for these rear bumpers. Hey! Straight through.
Oh, Evan! Thank you for bringing that lube for my pussy. I never would have been able to handle your fucking 4-inch dick inside my pussy without that gigantic bottle of lube.
One side is done. Should I have a go at trying the other side?
Yeah.
bottle of lube. Firstly, I think it's important that we shout out to Ross, which is my partner Chloe's dad. I think I owe him a massive thank you for helping me out. He showed me how we do that side, and then I went on and did that side. So, but yeah, I think this looks great. It really does look more and more like an American rabbit pickup, especially from behind. I mean, it's obvious that it's American when you see the steering wheel, but I mean, now from behind, giggity, it does look more and more like an American pickup, an American Volkswagen pickup. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you press the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Next on the truck, find out in the next video.